Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Srinath. I am studying third C. Today I am going to narrate story of peacock and the nightingale. There was a village called Udhampur. There was a beautiful forest near to the village. There lived different varieties of animals, birds, fruits, and flowers. There lived a beautiful peacock and the beautiful body and feathers. Once it was dancing, started to sing, quack, quack. But its voice was not beautiful as its body. It felt sad and tears came from the eye. There lived also a nightingale in the same forest. Nightingale came to the peacock. Oh, my dear friend, why are you sad? Why are you the cry? The peacock said, oh, my dear friend, I don't have beautiful voice like you. I wish I could have beautiful voice like you. Oh, peacock, do you think I'm lucky to have good voice and people listen to my voice? I try to find my tiny bird, which is not beautiful as its voice. Definitely disappointed, my friend. Although I have beautiful voice, but not beautiful body like you. But I daily sing happily. Thank God giving nice voice to me. Do not complain about my bad body. Peacock thought for a minute. Yes, Nightingale was right. Thank God for giving gorgeous body to me. Do not complain about my bad voice. Dance beautiful in the rain. Moral, thank God for what you have. Do not complain what you do not have. Thank you.